Hi everyone, my name is Carmen, I'm a makeup artist and this is my lovely Polish friend Marta. She's going to be my model for another bridal look that you guys requested. I decided to speak English because Marta doesn't speak Romanian and I don't speak Polish either, but I'm pretty sure you will understand everything I say. So, if you want to see how I've created this look and what products I've used, then please keep on watching. I will start by cleansing her face with my favorite micellar water from Bioderma. This is how pollution looks like.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Now we are going to use the Hydrating Face Tonic.
Smells nice.
The tonic will balance the skin, leaving it soft and well prepared for the products I'm going to apply next. Then I'm going to move to the eyes and I'm going to apply this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment.
Famous guy. Famous guy.
Famous
Avocado
guy.
cream.
Yeah. This Bioderma serum is just perfect for Marta's skin because it looks and it feels pretty dehydrated. Of vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. This is one of my favorite primers. Warm it between my fingers before applying it on the skin.
Smells like citrus.
It's fresh. So tell me, how would you like to have your skin as a bride? How do you picture yourself?
I like very natural makeup, which I also wearing every day on a daily basis. So something with the very good coverage, but not looking like a mask. Something with the satin look.
Yeah.
Like a very naturally highlighted. But
You want it to be satin but also matte, or satin and dewy?
Like a between, you know?
Something between.
Yes,
Okay.
like a very natural look, but everything to be covered and without using too much highlighter. Just like a natural skin glow.
Well, you said natural skin. So here's my go-to product for a natural finish. Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation from Bobbi Brown. I will start by testing the color to make sure it matches her skin tone. Not only about the neck, but I'm also looking to your arms because I want to be to have continuity.
Yes.
But before applying foundation, I'm going to spray her face with All Nighter from Urban Decay. I will then apply the complexion using a damp sponge from Real Techniques. I am applying the foundation by dabbing the product into the skin. Don't forget about the ears. You must apply foundation on those as well, otherwise they will look too pink. And then I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the color 20. I know you want to try this one, this guy.
Yay! Yes, because I read that it's self-setting concealer, right?
Yeah. This guy is absolutely amazing. It covers very well and doesn't crease at all. It is a great product for someone who doesn't want to use powder to fix all the creamy products. I'm using a small sponge to blend the product, and then I will cover the blemishes and pimples with the same concealer. I am warming her face with a darker foundation, and I apply with 1 to 2 stippling brush from Zoeva. Moving to the eyebrows now, using Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder in the color Soft Brown. This is one of my favorite products for brows, and I keep using it. I am brushing the brows first to see the shape, and after that I'm filling the gaps using a damp brush from MAC number 263. I'm basically drawing hair strokes where they are missing and filling the brow step by step. This is a great technique if you want to get a natural look to your brows. Pot Rouge in the color Pale Pink from Bobbi Brown is a creamy blush and a lipstick at the same time. It looks very natural on the skin and it's really easy to apply it, even with your fingers. Time to set all the creamy products, and I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder because it's her favorite powder. I will apply it with a sponge under her eyes because I feel like it sets better, and on the rest of her face I'm going to use a powder brush from Zoeva. I will use a tiny bit amount of powder because remember, she said satin finish, not totally matte finish. Moving to the eyes now, I'm using this brown pencil to shape the eye and also to create a base for the eyeshadows that I'm going to apply next.
You know, this is a Russian technique. It's called pencil technique. And now I am going to smudge it.
I love using this technique, especially because it helps me to create the shape that I want and also provides a great base for the eyeshadows, and they look more vibrant, more intense. Using a Zoeva brush 237, I'm smudging and blending the product to create a smoked and diffuse finish. Moving on the lower lash line, doing the same steps, first applying the brown pencil and then smudging it.
Use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion.
This primer is really amazing. It has a nice color that suits Marta's skin tone and will make the eyeshadows pop up beautifully and last much longer. In the inner corner and on her brow bone, I will apply vanilla eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills using a Roughe brush. Next, I will apply the lightest color from the mini nude palette from Natasha Denona, but unfortunately I was not satisfied with the results, so I decided to apply the Luxe liquid eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown in the color Perfect Foil. So beautiful! I will now apply one of my favorite eyeshadows, Allspice from Bobbi Brown. I don't know if I will ever get bored using this product because I absolutely love it. I will now blend the edges using the second color from this Atelier Paris palette using a MAC blending brush number 221S. Luxe eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown in the color Moonstone is a beautiful champagne sparkling eyeshadow that looks perfect on any bride. If you ever want to try this one, be aware that you will definitely fall in love. On the lower lid, I will apply the same brown eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown in the color Allspice, and I will blend the edges to diffuse it.
So I am going to add this color right here between the brown color and the champagne color.
I don't know what happened with the part when I applied the eyeliner gel. I think my camera was off or something. I've applied Inglot gel in the color 77, the blackest black I have ever used, just to intensify her lash line. I will now intensify the color on the lower lid. I will slightly contour her face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette, and I will apply the product right under her cheekbone, on the jawline, and a little bit on her nose. I will then apply the
127 Inglot blush. Take off the excess and apply it on top of her cheeks. This goes so well on her face.
Pink Glow highlighter from Bobbi Brown suits her so well. In fact, suits every light skin tone in general. I applied with a small blending brush from MAC because I don't want to go too broad, but focus only on certain areas since she said that she wants a natural glow. I am now going to fix her brows using the waterproof clear gel from Bobbi Brown, and I will let her apply the mascara. Meanwhile, I teach her how to do it.
Okay. And roll your hair. That's it.
Oh my god.
You know, this is the move. I will use this Subculture lip pencil from MAC.
Her lips are gorgeous. I love working on them.
Actually, I like with this pencil already.
I will now complete the look with my favorite pair of lashes from Mink Lash in the model High Life. I have a tutorial on how to apply falsies, so if you're curious to see it, just click the link above.
Oh shit! These are really nice lashes. I wish to have lashes like this.
But it's okay, we have falsies.
I will now fix everything in place with the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. And the look is complete now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Chin chin! Lovely, and thank you for being my model today. If you want to keep in touch, you can find me on Facebook or Instagram. I will put the links in my description box along with the products I use for this makeup look. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!